Ivan, do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Where would you like to go?
I like to visit Cox's Bazar.
Oh, that's a beautiful place.
Have you been there?
Yes, I went there last year.
How was the experience?
It was amazing. The beach is so long and beautiful.
I can't wait to see it.
Do you like beaches or mountains more?
I like mountains more. They feel peaceful.
I agree, mountains are calm and relaxing.
Have you been to any mountain areas?
Yes, I visited Bandarban once.
That must have been amazing.
It was. The views were breathtaking.
I want to visit there someday.
Let's plan a trip together.
Yes, that sounds great.